people, what's up? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm chilling in my room. Yeah. So anyways, I'm just chilling out. No TV on. You know, I haven't done a reaction video in a while. See what we have on the TV today. Oh yeah, warning, we might come up on a viral video, so don't be alarmed. I might cut it out even though I don't know how to effing edit. What do we have here? Oh yeah. Maybe I should do some reactions of, I'm not going to say it out loud because it sounds weird in my recording voice. You know what? Maybe not today. Maybe like next episode or video or something. Anyways, there is something I want to show you that I got help from my father adding it to the door. Yep. If you don't know what this is, it's an intruder alarm. So as you can see right here, we have this thing with a magnet inside. You can't really see it, but comment down below if you could see it. On my dad's videos, not mine, because my comments are not turned on, okay? Anyways, here's this thing. I don't know what it is. Here's some wires and that. Oh yeah, best of all, I have to be very careful. Okay, I'm gonna just switch that off because my mom has daycare and I don't want the person to wake up. Okay. I'm just over here with my cat. Hey, kitty. How you doing? As you can see, he's sleeping as well, so I have to be a bit quiet. Well, I don't know if you can hear me right now. Okay, so I'm just chilling. He's in my room today once again. Oh yeah, I also got this new shirt. It's not a t-shirt. Voila! Yeah, I was wearing this when me and my mom were going on a walk. Yeah. Okay. So anyways, I don't really know what to do in this video. I'm just gonna I have the alarm switched off so it won't make any noise. I actually have no idea what I should do. Maybe alright, people. I'm just gonna show you the outdoors from here. Yeah, I don't know if you could see it. Just like I said, comment down below my dad's videos. So that's all for today. Peace out.